Well, I wonder what it could be. We will find out here soon. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez Guy here on the PEZBook channel. Oh, the PEZGuy really didn't take away a lot of time from opening boxes. These have just acquired. Oh, wow. What do we have in store? Oh, this isn't in a store. It's actually in a box. Oh, little fuzzy friends. Oh, look at them. They all made the journey. I don't think they were supposed to be in here. But this was. All right. So this is what they call Joe's truck. It's a glow-in-the-dark cab. The fender matches the cab as it should. It's black with orange wheels. Oh, the candy's starting to leak. No! No! Oh. Is it soft? Oh, yeah. Okay, the orange is soft. Oh, that's a shame. So, these were released kind of as a competition, if you will, to Steve Glue, late 90s, early 2000s. And there's a bunch of different variations and color combinations. Really hard to find on the card where the candy isn't melted. Oh, that stinks so bad. But you have to care properly for this. This European stuff, there's no preservatives in it. It gets really mushy, and it can cause a really bad time. For a really good dispenser. But look at that! A truck and... Oh, wait a minute! And a panda! A panda whistle! Oh, it doesn't get any better than this. Oh, so excited! So until next time...